Playing with the string is another helpful little tool we can use while we're playing with the wand. Sometimes what I'll do is I'll stick my finger onto the string, and that also allows me to have some different pieces of illusion and to bring the wand a little bit closer to my hand, which gives me a bigger sense of having control over the wand. So if I can keep the wand nice and tight after wrapping it around my finger a couple times, that also gives a sense that the wand is nice and close, and then when you let it out, you can get it further away from your body. So there's a lot of different string play that we can do. Another way to play with the string is when you have the finger loop attached to your finger, you can split the string between your two thumbs. So I have the string around my left thumb and the string around my right thumb. And from my left hand, I can just let the wand be sent down the string and into my right hand. This is another just little way of playing with the wand in a creative way that gives it a nice break and pause from all these circles and rotations and floating that we're doing.